Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Today I'm back with another haul, and this one, I don't know if I'm gonna go through all three places. I'm definitely gonna try, but I got 2 things from Amazon, a couple of things from HSN, and 1 thing from eBay. But the 1 thing from eBay might take a little while to look through, so we'll see. We might have to do a separate video just for that one, but let's get started. Okay, so first up, I got a couple of KS craft dies from Amazon, and I wanted to show them to you, so let me just open them really quick. These are for Halloween, and I'm doing a Halloween project right now, so perfect that I found these. So this first one is a coffin shaker, and it comes with like a rest in peace letters, and then it comes with like this spooky face, and then the skull and crossbones, and then it also has this kind of like gravestone. So I got that, and then I also got this adorable memory decks. Isn't that so cute? So those were from KS Craft on Amazon. And then on HSN, I got the We Are Memory Keepers cordless freestyle pen. And so like you can use it to foil things. So I'm gonna try that out. So it comes with the 2 pens and this gold foil, and then it also comes with these foil sheets, like these pretty pink and blue. So that should be fun to try. Then I found a Buenos Dias kit on there, and it came with lots of goodies in the kit. So it came with this humongous paper pad, the 12 by 12, and you can see all the papers that it comes with in it. We'll do a quick flip through on it. They are single-sided. I just love this collection. I think it's so fun. I love the cereal. Did you guys see the cereal? Look. I just love that, the cereal and the Pop-Tarts, and what is that, coffee? I just think that is so cute. And then it just kind of starts over again. So it comes with the 12 by 12 paper. Let me move this back a little bit so we can put that paper down. And then it comes with these puffy alphas. They're thickers. It also comes with these 12 cute stamps. Look at that bow stamp. Oh my gosh, so cute. Little coffee mug stamp, adorable. And it comes with these acrylic shapes, which are super cute. It's got like the banner, the heart, cool. What is it? Does it say smile, mementos, a camera, flowers, super cute. Then it comes with these dies, which I thought were so cute. So you can do, I think it's pizza, a little like banner, and then the ice cream, and then I don't know what that says. It doesn't say. Oh, and then look at these cute stickers, you guys. These cute puffy stickers, they're adorable. I love those. And then it comes with 40 pieces of ephemera, so 10 glitter pieces. Super cute. Oh, I love when it shows it on the back, so you can see all the ephemera there that it comes with. Then it comes with these stickers, so there's 83 stickers. And then there's also some on the back. Oh, I love that right there, that old radio. And then it also comes with these chipboard stickers. Super cute. You can see all the chipboard stickers there. So there's that. And then let me move this so we can look at the eBay package that I got. So I came across this video from Aurora's Treasures, Aurora's Treasures, and she had purchased this pack of paper on eBay. And I think it was like $11, and it comes with 50 sheets of paper, and it's free shipping. And I thought it was such a good idea, or a good deal, and she had some really nice paper in it. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. Oh, I like that it comes with this, because this is what I use to make mini books with. So, oh, and there's 2 of them. Okay, so I guess they put that in there to protect the paper. Nice. So bonus 2 pieces of cardboard to make mini albums with. So yeah, it's a bunch of paper. Now I noticed on hers, I'm gonna try to flip through the back of them really quick just to see. A lot of hers were from, oh, let me see, were from the Paper Studio. So you can see, like right here it says the Paper Studio. Let's see if we see any on this side. I don't know, but a lot of them were, oh, that's nice, were Paper Studio. So I mean, it looks like they come from Hobby Lobby, or at least some of them do. That's really nice. So there's that one. Be good for 4th of July right now. And this one, oh my gosh, my fingers are not gonna work right now. Oh, they're stuck together. That's interesting. Okay, and then we've got some pretty snowflakes. I love like I love surprises, so I think this is fun. Oh, that's cute. Now we've got a graduation. Oh, this is fun for Valentine's Day. Super cute. And it seems like everybody gets a different pack of paper. Oh, look at those pink swirls. Christmas trees. Oh, I love this. I love buffaloes. I don't know if I've ever told you, but I was born in Catalina, and there's lots of buffalo there. I even have a buffalo up here. I just love buffalo, just because it reminds me of when I was little and there would be buffaloes in the hills. So that's super cool. Oh, this is cute. I love acorns. I love fall. It's my favorite time of year. Oh, this is fun. It says sail away. Birthday one. Pretty like pink one. Volleyball. Butterflies. It says free spirit, be happy. Today will be a happy day. Nice floral. What does this one say? Oh, a nice Happy New Year one. Pink polka dots. Yellow floral. Stripes. That's a pretty, I think I would use this for Christmas, I think. I got some blue stripes. This is a thicker one. Yeah, this one's like thick and textured. And then we've got that blue one that kind of looks like linen, but it's not textured like linen. And then we've got these cute Christmas. And another graduation. And got this one, and ooh, this one's nice and thick with the palms. Oh, this is cute. And then we've got like a cowhide, and we've got like a Christmas plaid, and we've got like a fun unicorn sky. It kind of reminds me of like if you lived in the land of unicorns, this is what their sky would look like. This is kind of thick. That's why I'm having trouble pulling it away from the other ones. Yeah, that's super thick. You can hear it, how thick it is. Oh, look how pretty those roses are. That's really pretty. Stripes, Easter, polka dots, super cute Christmas presents. Kind of looks like black wood, like a black wood floor. We've got a nice thick floral. We've got these stripes. Oh, this one's really thick right here. Then we've got these. Oh, how cute. That's adorable. Then we have these red stripes. And, oh, look at the clouds, how cute. That's super cute, those clouds. And got just a few more to go. Oh, I love this one for Valentine's Day. Hottie, XOXO, cutie, be mine, love bug, kisses, honey. That one's cute. Got this nice red one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's perfect for 4th of July right now. Love it. Love all the bathing suits and the flip-flops. So cute. And the final one is this red car with the Christmas tree on top. That was fun. I would definitely order that again. I think that's such a good deal because if you think about it, I mean, these are 59 cents a piece if you buy them at Hobby Lobby. I can't remember how much Michael's are. I think it just depends. But even when these go on sale, I don't think that you would get that good of a deal. And I just like the element of surprise of like not knowing what you're gonna get. Like I'm not gonna use all of these, but you know, some of them will be good to stick behind things or, you know, whatever. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for sharing this, Aurora. I'll try to link it below, the listing I bought this from. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.